Okay, we're moving on and upward, guys. We're going to another song. It's Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And things are going to pick up a little bit here. I increased the metronome to 80. We're still only using 2 chords, which would be the C chord and the G chord. But we're, instead of doing quarter notes, which is downs on the beat, this time we're going to be doing 8th notes. So let me explain that. An 8th note, if we're playing 1, 2, 3, 4. By doing 8th notes, you on the one and that's the way you count 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So on the numbers, which is 1, you strum down. On the and, you strum up. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. I will make a suggestion, just a suggestion, you can do it or not, but when I am playing 8th notes, I find it easier to play with my finger, with my index finger, rather than my thumb. Now, so just to try it, if it works better for you, then okay. So we'll be doing 8th notes here on Row, Row, Row Your Boat. See? And so you'll hear the metronome, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and so in between the beats we're hearing beat, 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 dun, dun. There's a strum upward in between those beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So you may need to rewind this or back it up and do it several times, because hey, now you're strumming up, so that's going to be a lot more difficult for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay? So rewind that, do it slow. You can lower it down to real slow if you want to get that. Just make sure you get a good grasp of it. Okay?